Hello, today we're going to demonstrate your Phase 3 Spinal Sculpting Kit exercises. So you've started with your foam roller on Phase 1 and in Phase 2. This again will happen in Phase 3. So again, begin with your foam roller up and down your spine for 30 seconds to create mobility in your spine and allow you to break up a lot of tension that develops in our workday and our life in general. So after you do this for 30 seconds, we're then going to go into the wedges. And again, in Phase 1 and Phase 2 videos, we demonstrated the positioning of where the wedges go. So we're immediately going to sit here again for just a few moments, allowing the body, after doing the foam roll, just to relax, to settle into these positions, and get a nice, gentle, and effective stretch using these wedges. So Allison can be sitting here for a couple minutes, 2 or 3 minutes, whatever makes her feel that she's just finally relaxed and her body's at ease. Now we're going to go in and doing some movement activities as we did in Phase 2. So she'll again hold on to the side if it works for you, and she'll look left and right while she's laying on the wedge. Again, Allison's doing this, she's holding on to the wedge because in the past when she was doing it, it moved. If it doesn't move on you, then you don't need to hold it. She's just doing this so it doesn't fly all over the place when she's doing the exercise. And again, there's no race. We're doing it at a nice, comfortable pace. Once we do the exercises, the rotation exercise, or looking left and right for the neck, we're now going to do it for the lower back. And she'll again come left and right. Good. Now again, a little different and harder to demonstrate because we're on a table and not on a floor, but an advanced move here is she could actually put her arms out, so just go ahead and try it, and then go ahead and do the stretch. And this will also get an increase or a deeper stretch into the lower back, but also into the mid and upper back. Bring up here. Good. So we're then going to move immediately into the strengthening work. So on the last video we talked about this. We're going to build on that with a couple other moves. So you're going to look to your left, and you're going to push your head. I'm sorry, look to your right. I apologize. And you're going to push your head into the foam wedge. Good. And she's going to hold that for 30 seconds. Now we're going to look to your left, and we're going to push it into the wedge and hold that for 30 seconds. The next move we're going to do is this. I want you to pretend that you're trying to take your ear and you're going to push it to your shoulder here. Okay? So again, she's trying to approximate her ear to her shoulder, almost like a side bend. Although the wedge is in the way, it's creating a resistance. That's going to strengthen the muscles in the outer part of her neck. She'll again do this on the other side. Good. Now this is again different than turning and pushing. We're literally just trying to bend the head in from the ear to the shoulder with the wedge being a resistance. We'll hold that for 30 seconds. Great job. All right. She'll then do the clamp. So as we did in the last video, Miss Allison was going to open her leg, let her foot hover right in front of her opposite ankle. So the right heel is in front of the left ankle, and it's hovering. And she'll repeat that on the other side. Okay, good. 30 seconds each leg. Now we'll go ahead and drop your legs. And we're going to elevate the right leg approximately 3 to 5 inches. Allison's lifted her leg 3 to 5 inches off the ground. She'll hold that for 30 seconds. Switch, Allison. And again, lifting the leg off of the table 3 to 5 inches for 30 seconds. The last move we're going to do is, Allison, I want you to go ahead and take one knee at a time and bring it to your chest. Good. And we'll hold this for 30 seconds. Go ahead and drop it down. Do the opposite. Again, holding this for 30 seconds. And the last move is, go ahead and drop them down. Can you bring both knees at the same time, please? We'll bring both knees in and hold that for 30 seconds. And when she's done, she'll drop her legs and roll to the side and sit on up. Very good. Awesome. So again, with Allison laying on the wedges for a few minutes and then going through 30-second sets of each of those exercises, she should be on the wedge for approximately 5 to 6, maybe 7 minutes. Again, if you find that you like the exercise, you want to keep on doing them, you're more than welcome to go up to 10 minutes on the wedges. And after she uses the wedges, she's then going to go into the Posture Pro. Again, we've just demonstrated this on Phase 1 and Phase 2 videos. Again, you'll wear the Posture Pro, shoulders back, chin up, head at about a 45-degree angle to strengthen the muscles of the upper neck and upper back. And this is your phase 3 at-home spinal sculpting kit videos.